I've been part of the Showcase production team for about 3 years now. My first year I was the camera operator, second year I was the director, and this year I oversaw the entire media team. I hope this audience can see what Lynn University can do and what we do for our students. I think that really helps advertise who we are as a university and what our programs can do. Lynn has definitely prepared me for working on this type of event, both in the classroom and outside the classroom. I've been a student employee here for 4 years now, and through that I've worked with so many great companies, worked on so many events, been able to travel all over the country and work with so many different things that I'm really, really grateful for that. The most rewarding part of the showcase is seeing so many people from so many different departments, so many students be involved in this production, and see how it all comes together to be a success.